आयज न्हू मगे इंटरव्यू हा. मातशें टेन्शन हा, बट जातलें आपास. जातलें न्हू. एक मात आहा, कितेंय जावं सोत उलोवपाचें. कित्याक फोट सांगप पातप न्हय. आनी ऑनेस्टी इज द बेस्ट पॉलिसी न्हू. आनी मोगी इंग्लीश जी आहा ती बरी ना, मातशी तांबडी इंग्लीश जाता. बट कांय न्हू, जाता तें सगलें बरें जाल्यार पुरो. हॅलो मॅडम, हांवें भितर येयल्यार जाता? येस, प्लीज कम इन. Your documents? Get. Okay. Please introduce yourself. मोगे नांव ब्रिजिट. मोगे मामीन म्हाका इंटरव्यूआक धाडला, नाल्यार येवपाचें न्हू. Please answer in English. Sorry, madam. My mama forcing, I coming against my will. So, why do you want to work here? खरें सांगो, पयशे जाय पयशे. इंग्लीश गोंयान रावता. गोंयान हिंगे ऑफिस आहा. गोंयची मायभास कोंकणी. इंग्लीश कितें उलोवपा जाय? Excuse me? Sorry. Money. Only money. No company emotional attachment. Why should we hire you? I don't know, madam. You seeing my resume, I also waiting for the answer. मी म्हणजे रानांतले येता तेल्लो. Oh no! कितें madam? Why do you want to join this company? Salary खातीर. Simple. Electricity bill not paying itself. No. Of course. Two honest answers. Strength for job and English please. Sleeping. Professional sleeping. No disturbance affecting me. What are your weaknesses? Madam, alarm. Alarm? Madam, alarm वाजता आणि उठता. Please speak in English. Alarm ringing. I respect alarm. I switch off alarm and again I sleeping sussegat. Lazy too. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Madam, honestly, good salary, I stay. Bad salary, tata, bye bye. Why did you leave your previous job? Madam, they say we are family. Magir, free overtime. Very bad family. Are you a team player? Madam, I working credit day taking. Very teamwork. Bursha. Can you work under pressure? Pressure cooker? No. Office pressure? Maybe. Depend on salary. Okay. Are you punctual? No, madam. Sometimes I'm very late. Why? Madam, सकाळचो अलार्म वाजता. हांव अलार्म बंद करता आनी चिंता 5 मिनटां न्हिदतलें म्हणून. 5 मिनटां कितें? मागीर चोयल्यार 1 वर जाल्लें आसता. So, you're saying you're often late because you oversleep? Madam, see, I can lie too, saying traffic problem, bike problem, rain problem, but I very honest. The truth is I sleep, no, oversleep, sussegat. I noticed a year gap in your resume. Can you explain it? काय ना madam, I wake up, eat, watch YouTube, sleep, repeat. For 1 whole year? Yes, madam. 1 year I became professional unemployed. At least she's honest. What motivates you? Salary credited, debt notification. Best motivation. Anything else? Anything else? Yes. Weekend. What is your biggest achievement? मॅडम, एक फावट मामीन म्हाका टोमाटां हाडपा लायलीं. पयली फावट लायफान पयली फावट आनी सगळीं टोमाटां बरीं हाडलीं, एक पासून कुसलेलें नासलें. इंग्लीश. My mother sent me to buy tomatoes. I choose all good tomatoes. No एक भी rotten tomato, no कुसलेले tomatoes. My mother happy, family happy, I happy. Wow. That's your biggest achievement? Yes, madam. Are you willing to relocate? Company पैसे दितली? Yes. If company paying, I relocate. If I paying, I emotionally attached to my city. How do you handle stress? Ignore करता problem solve जावसर. English please. How many times do I have to remind you? Sorry madam. I ignore. Sometimes problem disappear. Sometimes problem become bigger. Then I panic. What is your expected salary? Madam, तू आपलं budget सांग पयली. Then I decide whether to cry or smile. That's not how the interviews work. Madam, that's not how the salaries work either. If I tell big number, you reject me. If I tell small number, I reject myself. So, you go first. Oh no! Excellent negotiation skills. Wrong place, wrong time. Okay, I've made a decision. So, I got a job? Before I tell you the results, were your answers completely honest? Yes, madam. Mark 40 मारपा जाताले, but I सगळे ते स्वतू सांगला. Your English can improve. Your skills can improve. But your honesty is too dangerous for corporate life. Sorry? For example, if I ask, why do you want this job? People answer, I want to grow with the company. You said, salary. Exactly. Congratulations. You have passed the honesty test, but unfortunately, failed the interview. Not again. Honesty is a dangerous policy.
इंटरव्यू फेल जाले बट आय होप तुमकां हांसोवपाक फेल जावंक ना. चॅनलाक सबस्क्रायब करात असले आनीक व्हिडिओ चोवपाक आनी लायक करात, हायप करात हे व्हिडिओ आनी व्हिडिओ शेअर करात जाता तितल्या लोकां मेरेन. मेळया असलेच व्हिडिओ दुसरे फावट. टील देन बाय बाय. मोग आसूं दी.